No holiday season collection is complete without an eye focus, particularly since we launched our mascara. This is Adoring Eyes, the new collection. We have our best-selling MyMascara Ultra-Black, plus you might spot an entirely new product to us. This is EasyGlide, our Ultra-Black Precision Liquid Eyeliner. Adoring Eyes is only €28 or £25, and it is worth €42 or £37. So amazing savings, a cult product of ours on mascara, and an entirely new discovery with EasyGlide. So you can see the gorgeousness inside the box. For anyone who's new to our mascara, it's one of our fastest selling products. It delivers instant volume and length. It's got a soft curve wand. It's a nice flexible movement on it. It gets right into every lash, particularly with the edges at either end. It delivers instantly volumized, fuller lashes with major impact, but it also has pro vitamin B5 for a gentle removal, and it's ultra black pigment. And then of course, our first time to see this, we've been so excited to bring this to you guys this Christmas. This is EasyGlide, ultra black, really finely nibbed liquid eyeliner to deliver the easiest foolproof liner that you've yet to do. You can go for a slightly thicker tip, or you can just use the very, very top to create a super soft stroke. It's ultra black, it will not budge once it's dried and set in, and it gives the most gorgeous elongation to the eyes. And there we have it. That is Adoring Eyes, only €28 or £25, featuring our beloved MyMascara Ultra-Black and our brand new, let's get excited, EasyGlide Precision Liquid Eyeliner. Enjoy.